KPS here, back with another one. First thing I want you to do is open your settings. I'll just type it out real quick, then we'll go straight to Safari. After that, we're gonna enter in Safari, and then we're gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom. A little lag here, but we'll be all right. And now we're gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're gonna look for clear history and data. That will pretty much clear our cache and all of our history and cookies as well, so we have a free and clean slate. Bunch of that saved data is over here, so you want to get rid of that. Next up, we're going to open Safari. Let's have this quick site open real quick. So all we're going to do is we're going to hold on to the tabs button, and it has two red options. Clear all tabs will close this tabs. So usually if you don't want to hit all of them one by one, you can just do this quick shortcut right here and it'll clear all your tabs. Up, we're going to open Safari one more time. Gonna load, can't forget the Afrobeats. Bottom left, you're gonna hit show top address bar. It's gonna move the top address bar all the way up to the top where it belongs. And I could also reverse it and bring it to the bottom as well. Show bottom taskbar, or tab bar, I'm sorry about that. It's gonna show it all the way down to the bottom where it originally was after the trash update that we got. But since we can change it, that's the good part about it. Again, next we're gonna open up YouTube, and we're gonna search your favorite song. I'm gonna just choose any random one real quick since we already had Afrobeats up in the first one. I'm gonna use another Afrobeat song. My people understand. Omali understand. Gonna hit that real quick. Let it load for a little bit. Oh yeah, if you don't have YouTube Premium, go ahead and get YouTube Premium. I got no ads. So went straight to my alarm clock. Now I'll put a timer on for 30. I think I'll put let's do 32 seconds. Now I'm gonna move the video to the top so I can see exactly what I'm gonna hit. I'm gonna hit stop playing. So I can put a timer on my video to make sure it stops playing at a certain time. And time's going down. Fast forward it a little bit. For my Afrobeat lovers, understand, definitely top 10. Please don't forget. And you're gonna fast forward a little bit more, bring it to the bottom. And just like that, pauses it and stops playing. We're gonna open our messages. I'm gonna type for yo to one of my friends over here. And we can actually animate it into anything that we want. Not anything that we want, but whatever default Apple has for us. So I'm gonna hit screen. I'm gonna slide all the way to screen on the top right. And I could either do the multitude of yos. I could do basically this one, which I'll do. We're gonna go to our settings one more time. Now I'm going to try and get rid of all the useless spam calls that T-Mobile can't get rid of. So I'm gonna go to settings. I'm gonna go all the way down to where my phone is. I'm gonna hit phone all the way down to the bottom, just scroll down and hit phone. And then you should see silence unknown callers at the bottom after phone. And it's gonna check that. Make sure you don't uncheck that because T-Mobile will not help you. And you should be good to go when it comes to useless spam calls.